Hi there, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do a little review, and by little I mean mini, and by mini I mean the Oliso Mini Project Iron. If you're new here, my name's Brittany. I'm a dressmaker, but I also make these online dressmaking courses that are in half scale. So I heard about this little miniature iron here and I thought I would give it a try. It might be really handy. This is a product out of California. They make, they've started with this product in particular, and they've just recently released a full-size one, but since I work a lot with half scale, I thought this was a lot more up my alley, and I was curious to see how it would work, because this is actually the iron that I use on a daily basis. It's an industrial, and it's quite heavy. Like, it's probably a good 4 pounds maybe. It's a good arm workout, and especially with these smaller scale dresses. So I'm gonna open this guy and I'm gonna fill it with water and we'll see how it works. Okay, so this is it all unpacked. Super cute color. It's got the fill tank here, like so. Doesn't hold a lot of water. You've got your steam presses there. It's got a dial. This might be steam level, so you can see how much steam is left in your tank. It's got this removable storage side and then a resting side. So we can put this here, put our little iron on it. Yeah, we've got a low temperature, medium temperature, and high temperature for linen and cotton. Low temp for synthetics, medium for wool and silk. One pressed burst of steam. So it's repeatedly press the steam buttons for a series of steam bursts. You want to hold it like this over the steam buttons, I'm guessing. Okay, so how do you know when it's ready? Turn the dial to 3, wait till the steam buttons glow white and you're ready to go. Okay, let's see. So I got a light there. Okay, so at 2 it seems to be ready for some steaming action. There we go. There we go, we got some steam. Feels nice and warm. It feels super light, like really light. Like I could just lift this up like no problem. And it's got a nice pointy sole plate, which I like. Okay, let's try to use our ham and see what we can press. I'll leave that there resting, and then we'll see. With this I could get right in there with the point. Actually quite like that. And I'm not ironing so much into the piece like with my big iron, and it is light. Like, it is so much lighter. Now with half scale and these bust seams, it's pretty tricky to do normally. I usually end up over pressing these because they're so, you know, challenging to iron. Holy, look at that. Nicely done. Let's get right in there. And I'm on the cotton setting, so let's try doing some other seams. Just really test out this iron. wide the tip is. And you can just, it really spreads out the allowances. Another thing that sometimes I like to do is, prep, marking where my seam allowances are gonna go. So I can do something like that. Very nice, very nice, yeah. I did try out a couple different fabrics with the different heat settings, but I still found the medium one the most effective, the one with steam. The low setting was too low for me and didn't have the steam capability. I was also experiencing some weird leaking happening with the first time I tried it, and went back the next day, did the same thing, and there was no leaks. So I don't know what was going on with it. Maybe I was overusing the steam previously. Who knows? But the capacity of the water inside, not an issue. I had plenty left over. The iron is also dual voltage, so you can take it traveling. And that little hook on the sole plate works perfectly to store it. And yeah, so if you guys want to check out this mini iron or the full-size version, I've put my affiliate link down in the description, and things like that really help out the channel. Well guys, I guess that's my review for the Oliso Mini Project Iron. I love its compactness and how light it is. It sort of just fits in your hand. And yeah, I can see myself using this more often. Thanks so much for watching. Tell that like button how beautiful it is by giving it a click, and leave me a comment if you wish. I will catch you guys next time. Happy sewing.